In this video, I will explain a new feature on Binance that allows you to earn profit by holding BNB coins. I will also show you how to use this feature step by step. When you hold BNB coins, you will earn profit on new listing coins. This means that you will get a percentage of the trading fees generated by the new listing coins. Steps to use the feature. Create a Binance account if you don't already have one. You can do this easily by providing your email address or phone number. Complete the KYC verification process. This is a simple process that helps Binance verify your identity. Go to the Binance homepage and search for Earn. Click on Simple and then select BNB. Enter the amount of BNB you want to hold and click on Subscribe. That's it. You will now automatically earn profit on new listing coins. The amount of profit you earn will depend on the amount of BNB you hold and the trading volume of the new listing coin. You can unsubscribe from this feature at any time if you choose Flexible tab. Here are some additional details about the feature. The feature is available for any coins. The profit you earn will be paid in any coins. You can earn profit on an unlimited number of new listing coins. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.